Let's see how to insert zoom in and zoom out symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now the zoom in and zoom out symbols are denoted by a magnifying glass with either a plus sign or a minus sign to indicate zoom in or zoom out. So let's go ahead and look for those symbols. So first, click on the Insert tab, and from here, click on Symbol. Now click on More Symbols to access the entire list of symbols that you can use. And from here, make sure that you set the font to Seago UI symbol and change the subset to Private Use Area. And you should be able to find the zoom in and zoom out symbols when you scroll around. So for example, we have the zoom out symbol right here. Now let's go ahead and insert that into our document. Now let's look for the zoom in symbol, which is indicated by a plus sign. And it is this one right here. Now click on insert. And as you can see, we now have our zoom out and zoom in symbols. Now, as you'll notice, these two aren't the same size. However, you can also find symbols of the same sizes if you simply look around here. And basically, that is how you can insert zoom in and zoom out symbols in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.